Welcome back to Backstage Pass. This is BS Cactus with friends of mine. Anyway, our entertainer for tonight's comedy segment is a good friend of mine. For the best in sound effects, please welcome Larry Beezer.
Nobody rides trains anymore. Everybody flies now. It's like trains are a thing of the past. It's kind of sad. Everybody flies, no nonsense, no frills. I'm real serious about no frills. You know, that's where you get on the plane and you... Get off! You know, they're just done with you, you know. But, imagine riding a train one night. Maybe you go to town, have a couple of drinks, special occasion. You know, you're having a drink with a friend and, what the heck, drink a fifth. Yeah, sure. Start to look like a catcher's mitt, you know. That one, okay, we'll see you. Anyway, imagine you get on the last train out of town, and you must make it to the restroom. Here's what happens.